Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to simplify this and then p cube minus 3 root 3 cube over p minus root 3 cube. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay. Now, root 3 all cube is the same as root 3 times root 3 times root 3. And root 3 times root 3 the same as 3 times root 3. So we have 3 root 3. Wow. So we can say that root 3 cube, root 3 is the same as root 3 cube. So p cube minus 3 root 3 cube becomes, in place of this, we put 3 cube minus root 3 all cube, so that we have p cube minus root 3 cube all cube. From algebraic identities, a cube minus b cube is the same as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So p cube minus root 3 cube all cube becomes p minus root 3 cube in one bracket times p squared plus ab is 3p cube, then plus root 3 cube all squared. So this is the same as p minus root 3 cube times p squared plus root 3p cube plus 3 cube squared. So p cube minus root 3 cube over p minus root 3 cube becomes p minus root 3 cube times p squared plus root 3 p cube plus 3 cube squared over p minus 3 root 3 cube. So this will cancel that. We have, that is p squared plus root 3 p cube plus 3 cube squared. Now if you are going to compare, say that xp squared plus yp cube plus z cube squared is equal to p squared plus root 3 p cube plus 3 cube squared. Now when we compare both sides, so we know x will be equal to 1, y, when you compare p cube, y will be equal to root 3, and then z will be equal to 3. So therefore 9x plus 7 root 3y plus 4z will be 9 times 1 plus 7 times root 3. Y is also root 3 plus 4 times 3. This is equal to 9 plus root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. So 3 times 7, 21 plus 4 times 3, which is 12. So when we put them together, 9 plus 21 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.